This is Stick reporting from the Tree Planet News helicopter. We can see the emergency lights out there where the drone crash is. Now we're moving in real slowly and we have to kind of keep a open space. We can see kind of a white spot, and we're thinking that's probably foam put down by the firemen. Best we can tell. Stick, how come we're not seeing any emergency equipment out there? Well, it's like this. Emergency equipment weighs a lot, and this is a long way to carry that stuff. But, okay, now we can clearly see the lights of the emergency vehicle strobing. Let's see if we can zoom in on the drone crash itself. Hold that helicopter real steady now. Gonna try to zoom in on the crashed drone. Yeah, we can see quite a bit of foam, fire foam out there. Yeah, it clearly has two wings, abdomen, thorax. We're going to try to get in a little closer and see what we can see. Let's pan back out. You can clearly see the emergency lights. We're going to hover at about 100 feet and see if we can zoom in on the drone itself. I think that's the best picture we're going to get of that drone, but you can see it's clearly crashed. You can see all the emergency lights out here. Back to you in the studio.